Okay, so if I have something underneath in my Kinon material, really simple thing to do is we take a drill bit, and I drilled some holes already, but here I'll show you. Also what's neat is you can see how easy it is to drill Kinon. So this is a standard woodworking drill bit. And what I have here, this is my mixture, my A and B mixture now. We'll send you whichever one matches to your Kinon. And so I drilled that hole. And I'd already done some pieces over, some holes over here, so this is going to be the example that I'm doing. But I drilled the holes right here, I cleaned them out. I'm going to wipe with isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol, see that? The cloth. It's going to wipe the area. Right, before I use it. So this was my A and B mixture. I mixed it up, now it's nice and warm. This is about 15 minutes after I mixed it, so I'm going to mix it just one more time. It's also getting a little thicker. And I take the tip of the drill bit like this, and I'm going to start dropping material in with the drill bit tip. This is a perfect way to do it. The drill bit tip is a nice pointy object. And then you don't sand it or polish it. This has to cure for 2 days. The next day it's not cured enough to do sanding and polishing. This is a, when you do it with the resin, this is a 3-day process. I mean, it doesn't take 3 days, but it has to cure. So I'm going to do the drips. Now the drips have to use an MDF core, so it's going to absorb in. So I'm going to have to come back in a couple minutes to do a second application. You might have to do 3 applications, but or maybe you just have to do 1. In my first application, I just had to do 1. I had to do it twice, but I could do it one simultaneously right after the other. So that's what I'm going to do here first. That's going to put a little bit more resin on there. That's it. So I'll come back in a couple minutes just to check on it. Make sure it's filled over. You want to fill it over, not as much as this one. If you need to take material off, you just go back like that. And you can always get material off if you want to take some off. So it's really, really easy to do. And then you'll come back in a couple minutes just to make sure it's filled. And again, this has to sit like this for 2 days. Don't touch it, just leave it. If it's a small part, it's easy. If you have a table with a bigger part, just leave it on the table, and that's it. So this one, it's kind of drooping down, so I'll fill that in a couple minutes after I see how far it goes down. And that's basically the process. So we're gonna come back in 2 days. I'm gonna take this part, I'm gonna sand it, and I'm gonna polish it and show you what it looks like. And that's the process. Thank you for watching.